Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It has been a while since I did nature part 1 and today I will be doing nature part 2. As you can see, I am in this chair and Mama will be doing nature part 2 with me. Mama, say hi. Let's go.
Sus. Hi, folks.
Let's go. Ooh, look, we found some berries.
Now, Sous Pouce, let me ask you something. Do you think we should eat berries that we find?
Yes.
Even if we don't know what they are?
Yes.
The answer is no.
Sous Pouce got the right answer.
Look, here's a whole bunch. See? That's a lot of berries.
Berries. Let's eat one.
No, Sous Pouce.
Can I pick one?
How do they smell?
They smell good. That is funny. Cha. Look what we found. Big sissy is here.
Wait,
a giant web
Zoom in.
with
is
a
it,
spider.
That's not
See
big.
Yes, it is.
Wait, which one? It looks bigger on his screen.
Behind everything.
That looks tiny.
What?
That's tiny.
That is not tiny.
Measure it.
That thing is tiny. It's tiny. I can feel my fingertip.
It is
What?
tiny.
You're not looking at the right thing.
I must.
I'm
not
talking
be.
about behind the whole web.
Oh, well, I see a bug up there, like a fly or
Yeah,
something.
that's a fly caught in the web. Here, you hold Sous Pouce.
Hello, Seuss.
Cha.
Yeah, I'm looking. Fans, help me out here. What the heck is everyone else looking at?
A big spider. Oh, there's webs all over here too.
What do you mean behind? Oh, now I see it.
Thank you.
It's
That is funny.
Sure.
We found a toy. Can I take it?
No.
No.
We found another web. It is long.
Is there anything in the web?
Dirt. And dirt. And more dirt. Not much. Do you see any 4-leaf clovers? Leave it in the comments below. Pause the video if you have to. I am on my exploration bike. That is funny. Kids, do not attempt this at home
Or anyone for that matter.
or anywhere.
Okay, move out of the way, Seuss.
This is for professionals only, like me.
Okay. Mom, it's gotta be a bigger push than that.
Seriously, this is for advanced
Okay,
users.
no. Down the mountain. Whee!
Ah! Ah!
I'd like everyone to know that I'm in charge of steering here. That's the only reason we're not crashing into a tree. Oh, wow, this is fun. Okay, we're gonna review and figure out how to make this
My
faster.
royal wagon. That is funny.
Excuse me, Uncle.
Uncle is my filmer.
Okay, Sue, scooch over.
We fixed it. Now we will go. We are going.
Okay, Mom, go.
I am scared.
Push like you mean it. Push like you mean it.
Ah!
Okay, from now on, I push and then hop in. Okay, this is nice.
Not as fun as I
Okay.
thought.
Yeah, when I did it a few moments ago and pushed just Uncle, it was much better. Mom, we need.
We are going.
Okay, this time I'm pushing, then jumping in. Okay, ready?
3. Ah!
Never try this at home.
Ah!
That was much better. I got
Did
one
you
there.
guys see that?
That was awesome.
I'm going. This is not.
Okay.
I hope you have enjoyed this video, everybody. Stay tuned for Nature Part 3. See you next time. Ciao. Ma. Ciao.